let's show you how we set up our new flat tow kit, and then let's get this thing on the road.
Okay, so the first thing we've got here is the Roadmaster Nighthawk. This is the tow bar that we decided to go with. Okay, next up is taking both of these arms from the Nighthawk, putting this pin through, and then sliding this little connector here on top, and that is not gonna break away. Next, we've got our safety chains. So there are 2 of them. And this is one thing I really liked about the Nighthawk is these cables are routed inside of the tow bar itself. So everything is a really clean and nice looking setup. The next thing to put in is our 6-way electrical communication setup. With this 6-way plug, not only does it pass communications, so telling the truck when to like hit the turn signal, when to do the brake lights, things like that, but we also ran a dedicated charge line from the front of our motorhome battery all the way back to our Maverick's battery. So as we're towing it down the road, our battery in our truck will not die.
It's a little hot out, I'm breaking a little sweat. The Tow Defender is next. We just roll this out, and essentially it's gonna prevent any debris, rocks from hitting your towed vehicle. You just pull these out, and then this comes right on top, and then you line it up with a hole, and then you're set. The very, very last step that we have is, ta-da, is the breakaway cable. This is hopefully something that you never, ever have to use, but this little rectangle here, this is what would activate in a breakaway scenario. So essentially that clips onto the truck. This would then clip on to the RV. If everything that we just did were to fail, then once this pulls, that's then when the brakes in the truck start. So let's put the Mav in its flat tow mode and let's start driving. I mean, how cool is that? Our 2 little toys just living their best life.